If you bought the DJI MIC 2 Pocket Size Pro Audio and you're getting an issue that you can't find any way to fix it, updating firmware, resyncing, but you keep getting like only one connector, mic connecting to the receiver, or you're getting just this line through the speaker, well, the solution is to use DJI's repair service. It's a fantastic service, and all you got to do is make sure you buy it through them, and you start an account through the register on DJI.com. That's why I really recommend that you buy things through the DJI site versus Amazon. But that's a whole nother topic unto itself. I really do that. And honestly, you just have to go to support, and then there's a whole support page and a lot of things that you can do. They even give you a service portal once you have an account, and you can request a repair online, okay? That's why I just took these two photos of the issues that I had. And, you know, honestly, I submitted and it's on the go. You get into this whole area. There's a lot of different areas, but those are the two primaries. So how it begins is you check your bound products. So as you can see here, I've bought in 4 objects, but it doesn't show the mic and there's nothing there. So I had to do a search by the serial number, which you can find the serial number on the receiver, I believe, or the packaging of the mic 2. And you do that and then it'll show here. The next part is filling in the incident description and adding a couple photos to it. Now make sure you say when you bought it, what the issues are, if you're on a job to really escalate the issue, you run a business, these are really important. You've done a lot of research online and you can't figure it out. And then you confirm the shipping address of where they need to ship it to. And don't forget this, I didn't see this at the bottom, you have to submit. There's a submit button. You think you did upon some sort of entry or submit, but there's another one at the bottom, so or a checkbox that you have to check. So just make sure to do that. And then what's gonna happen is they're gonna send you to your email the actual confirmation and a actual label that you can print out and then ship your item in free of charge to, I believe, one of the shipping services in your country. Now that's one thing. Some of the countries are not supported by them, but I'm in Canada and I believe America is. Just make sure to check that. I think it states it in it. So again, there's all these issues in these forums out there, and there's like these common issues of things, but this one is specific to the mic 2, and that's basically what you got to do. You got to submit it. And then this is what it looks like in the back end. Once you do that, in your portal, it shows you that I've submitted it, they've received it, they're inspecting it. You quote payment, which I didn't have to pay nothing. It's fully under coverage, and they're repairing it. And during that repair, before they ship it back to me, they actually show little screenshots of it. See right here on check and check. And you can go through and make sure that the mics are in pairing mode. They've paired. It's all now working supposedly. I wish I had to put my letter of my company or my name on the mic so I could validate that this is really mine. But again, I trust DJI. They're a fantastic company. I think Batman created it, or Tony Stark, because the gear is just amazing and solid. But this just broke in like 3 months, so I don't know. They also have a little area of repair progress inquiry, so you can understand, you know, what each section is and some other options that you can do while you're going through it. And again, that's within this item right here. You just click that one versus this inspection one. So I'm going to be getting my mic system back soon, which I'm really excited because it's the summer coming and a lot of clients need my work, and Pro Audio is where it's at with content creation. I gotta give a shout out to DJI, as I shipped this mic about a week and maybe a day or 2 days ago, and I just received this now, and I think that's the 24th-ish, and they ended up receiving this item, you know, somewhere around the 27th. So it took a couple days to get there. They received it, then they've started processing, and then now it's being shipped back within 1 week. And this is in the back end of your service request and inquiry, the area where you can actually it's your own portal. It's like amazing, and it tells you through the whole thing, as we said in this video, and that's it. It sent me an email, and now it's being shipped back. Boom, bada bing. It's coming back so I can continue my business. Thank you very much, DJI, for the work that you do. Okay, I just opened up the box since June 3rd, and I first was like, what am I getting? And DJI actually sent me a DJI hat. How cool is that? I'm gonna sport this one. Nice beige hat. Thank you so very much, DJI. That's cool. We got all the labels. They sent some more things for regards to anything that has to do with my gimbal. But this is basically the shipping back order for my transmitters, and let's check it out what they did. And I just opened the box a minute ago, but I haven't been down into here to see how they've actually sent things back, because I sent them my transmitter in its case and box. So let's see how they what what's going on here. Oh, so they basically have sent me apparently a brand new one. This was my original box, and let's see how they've done this. So oh, I see, they've given me all of the things, and they've sent me back apparently my original case. I'm thinking it looks like that, I believe, although I'm starting to think that maybe they shipped me an extra couple magnets. So let's now open up this box. Gotta always have something around the office to open up packaging, and away you go. Let's see how they've shipped back. And apparently they've given me a brand new version. Like, come on, like DJI is doing fantastic. I love, oh my God, so they actually now have double cases apparently. But they gave me that. They're just so nice. And oh, some stickers for some of my camping gear this summer. And let's now take a look in my beautiful, oh my God, it's like brand new. Come on guys, like that's awesome. Here we go. And I have my, yeah, it's brand new. They just decided to send me a brand new one that it was defective and having that issue that I've shared with you all. And they've now given me everything. Plus, now I've got a backup of extras in case I lose any of these things. And now I can see that the mic systems are working and showing everything, and not that funky line through the mic. And I can pull this out and it's working again. Oh, it's so good. I can get back to actually work. Let's look in the case here. It's got all the connectors and everything. But this is great. Now I have two cases just in case, one for camping and one for clients perhaps when they get dirty. Thank you so very much, DJI. You do a great job. And I totally recommend their support kits, their Fly More kits. Their protection plans are just imperative to your working as a content creator agency like myself. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. There's a couple extra videos here at the end. And I look forward to seeing you in another video. Thank you very much. All right, the final test. Here we go. Oh yeah, that's right.